Welcome friends. In the previous episode we are discussing about the header files. Now in this episode we discussing about typecasting in C. So let's we start. Typecasting is the way to convert a variable from one data type to another data type. For example, if you want to store a long value into a simple integer, then you can typecast long to int. You can convert the value from one type to another explicitly using the cast operator as follows. The syntax of typecasting is in between bracket type name, type underscore name, and then expression semicolon. Consider this example where the cast operator caches the division of one integer variable by another to perform a floating point operation. Suppose let's take an example. Hash include stdio.h main integer sum equal to 17 comma count equal to 5 double mean, then mean equal to double sum divided by count. Now print value of mean colon %f slash n comma mean. Now you can run this. The value of mean is 3.4. It should be noted here that the cast operator has precedence over division, so the value of sum is first converted to type double and finally it gets divided by count, yielding a double value. Type conversion can be implicit, which is performed by the compiler automatically, or it can be specified explicitly through the use of the cast operator. It is considered good programming practice to use the cast operator whenever type conversion are necessary. Now another thing is we are discussing integer preemption. Integer preemption is the process by which value of integer type is smaller than int or unsigned int are converted either to int or unsigned int. Consider an example for better understanding. If we take integer variable I and assigned by 17 value, char variable C and assigning by character C, The sky value of C is 99. Integer sum equal to I plus C. Printf value of sum equal to %d. Now we can build and run. The value of sum is 116. The value of sum is 116 because the compiler is doing integer promption and converting the value of C to a sky before performing the actual addition operation. Now another thing is usual arithmetic conversion. The usual arithmetic conversion are implicitly performed to cast their value to a common type. The compiler first performs integer promption. If the operands still have different types, then they are converted to the type that appears highest in the following hierarchy. The hierarchy is the given as: in the top, the hierarchy is long double, then double, then float, then unsigned, long, then long, unsigned, long, then long, then unsigned, long, then long, then unsigned, integer, then integer. The usual arithmetic conversion are not performed for the arithmetic operation, nor for the logical operators, logical AND and logical OR. Let's take an example for understanding this. Now we can change in the previous example, we can change is the sum is as a float and the format specifier is %f. Now you can run. The value is 116.000. It is the simple to run and understand. The first C gets converted to int, but as the final value is double, a usual arithmetic conversion applies and the compiler converts I and C into float and adds them, yielding a float result. So this is the typecasting. With a new topic, we are again with the new topics. Till then, goodbye and keep learning. See you in the next video.